Okay, this is my little brother trying out Mad Dog 357. Alright. You can use your finger, you can try to lick it out the cup, it does not matter. Destroy the cup. I would have cracked the milk. It starts off with the... Give it a little bit. He feels the burn. He's starting to.
Did it.
You better start your own skillet.
The burp did it.
I'm fucking crying.
I could have done it until the burp.
Do I need a bucket just in case?
No, he won't puke. And it just burns. You might as well not set that thing down.
Smoke's just making it worse.
Oh, it will until you actually start getting to the good part. See, you're laughing about it.
But I'm also hurting inside. Want some bread?
He's crying. Yes, ma'am. He's crying. Hold on, turn around. Turn around. Don't go in the room. Come on, you gotta stay out here. You all right, dude? And look, there is a tear right there in. You think this is long enough? That's 3 minutes. Cut it off.
How you feel? Now I got a question.
Holy shit!
Fine.
Is the hot sauce hotter than
All
those
right.
hot wings you had?
You admit it.
It's a different burn.
Are they hotter?
It's just, is Mad Dog hotter than
Not really.
Famous Dave? You're crying. You're sweating. And that's not worse?
Oh my.
That doesn't...
Bread. You want some ice cream? I got a popsicle.
All right. Well, we know he's bullshit.
Oh, he's